Math this week is the identity laws. The identity law for addition states a plus 0 equals a. The identity law for multiplication states a times 1 equals a. If you like hand motions for math, then let's do this. The identity law for addition states that a plus 0 equals a. The identity law for multiplication states that a times 1 equals a. Want to do it again? One more time. The identity law for addition states that a plus 1 equals a. The identity law for multiplication states that a times 1 equals a.
South Africa, Lesotho, Botswana, Mozambique, Namibia. Week 24, Southern Africa, South Africa, Lesotho, Botswana, Mozambique, Namibia.
What units are used to measure electricity? The units used to measure electricity are ohms, measure resistance, volts, measure voltage, amps, measure current, watts, measure power. What units are used to measure electricity? The units used to measure electricity are ohms, measure resistance, volts, measure voltage, amps, measure current, and watts, measure power. All right, time for Latin. Now I'm going to play the Latin song for week 24.
Ero eris erit, eramis eritis erant, first conjugation, future perfect tense. 24. Ero eris erit, eramis eritis erant, first conjugation, future perfect tense.
Okay, time for history. Tell me about apartheid. All right, guys, let's do our yoga for history. So I figure we'll start with warrior 1, and you got to do this at home with me. So put your right leg back and your left knee forward, or vice versa, and your hands go straight up and down. In 1994, South African President de Klerk allowed free elections. Nelson Mandela became South Africa's first black president, demonstrating apartheid was ending. Guys, time for warrior 2. Put your leg out again and one leg back, and this time your arms are right at your side. In 1994, South African President de Klerk allowed free elections. Nelson Mandela became South Africa's first black president, demonstrating apartheid was ending. Here's some more yoga poses for you to practice your history. Dancer, mountain, dragon, airplane, boat, and warrior 1 and warrior 2. For English, we have an interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase used as a strong expression of feelings or emotion. The hand sign for feeling or emotion is going to be our right hand over our heart for feelings, and our finger, the middle finger, over our heart as well for emotion. For an interjection, we'll use a POW. An interjection is a word or a phrase used as a strong expression of feeling or emotion. For the timeline this week, we're doing the President's song, so I recorded the song for you so you can practice. Here you go.
The Presidents of the United States.
Washington, Adams, Jefferson, Madison, and Monroe. Adams, Jackson, Van Buren, Harrison, Tyler, Polk, and Taylor. Fillmore, Pierce, Buchanan, and Lincoln, Johnson, Grant, and Hayes. Garfield, Arthur, Cleveland, Harrison, Cleveland, McKinley. Roosevelt, Taft, Wilson, Harding, Coolidge, Hoover. Roosevelt, Truman, Eisenhower, Kennedy, Johnson, Nixon, Ford. Carter, Reagan, Bush, and Clinton. Bush, Obama, Trump. It's for him we pray.